Alright, back out in the workshop again. It just got done raining here in Pennsylvania. And I had to, on my Eclipse, had to rotate the tires. It was pretty odd because I just got the car inspected and they told me the tires in the back was rated at 7 and the tires in the front were rated 4. I bought all 4 brand new tires and this and that before for this. So I figured I'd just rotate them front to back because they were going to charge me like 16 bucks a tire or side. I'm not for sure exactly. So I just finished that, by the way. Well, anyways, here is the TEKTON wrench here, torque wrench. Get a real nice close up here. We're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of this real quick, because my next video is going to be me starting to install the goodies on my motor for my DBXL. Okay, we got the plastic off. Let's see how we open this. Right here. There we go. Let's go ahead and see what she looks like. Okay, right out of the box. You see it comes with the case. A nice red case, plastic, with snap open things here. We open it up and voila, there we are. There's the wrench itself. Here's the instructions how to do it. We'll take it out of there. Okay, and that's what the box looks like, emptied. Now this is a 1/4 inch ratchet, and it has all kinds listen and feel instructions right there. Alright. Well, yeah, it looks really good. There's the store at 22 NM. And that's where she's at 22 MN. Or NM. Alright, that looks pretty cool. Okay, there's the part number right there, actually, for it. Calibrated and tested. It says right there. But that's all it is. Just torque wrench. I told you guys I'll do an unboxing real quick. Shows you what comes into the box with everything here. We're going to go ahead and take out the instruction manual, or operator's manual. Get that. And there's all that. Oh, there's conversion chart right there. But with this tool here, we're going to go ahead and build my motor. Oh, it even has a breakdown how to tear it apart right there. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's put this back in for right now. Put that aside. But yeah, I'm getting everything ready. Like I said, I'm out in the workshop getting stuff going. And I'll see you in the next video.